major earthquake has occurred in the southern Philippines, so somewhere here. And you can see that there are plate boundaries, so we have subduction going on this side. And on this side, there's also subduction, which is not shown by the plate boundaries that we have on this portal. But we know that there is subduction going on towards the east, but the prominent one is to the west. Now I'm showing you the animations. You can see the earthquakes of magnitude 7 and above. And so let's change the map first. And you can see that this is a very busy area. So major earthquakes are occurring in this region. There are many big earthquakes. You can see these guys here are quite big. But this area has seen a lot of seismicity in the past. So therefore, the earthquake that we have seen recently, which occurred here, is greater than 7, is expected. The question is whether it was related to this subduction system, or it was related to this subduction here, or it is related to the internal fault system, which is related to the tectonic interactions, but can occur on the internal faults, which can be a discussion. So, but what we know is that there was a major earthquake. It was thrust fault. Now, let's try to learn more about the seismicity in this area, so we can expand this region more and show you basically the seismicity and the clear subduction system which I was telling you. You can see from the colors, these are the shallow earthquakes and these are the deep earthquakes. So it's deepening this very clearly. So the subduction towards the west is very, very clear. But you can see that there is straps of yellow and yellow here, which is 100 to 200 kilometers. You shouldn't expect it here, right? Because that's shallow area for this subduction. So that clearly tells you that there is complicated subduction, in fact, subduction both ways. So let's try to learn about it. So I take a section from here to there. Sorry. Take a section like this and then show you so we will understand what's going on. Now look at that. This is really beautiful. So we have a very, very clear subduction system which is going towards, so that's the Philippine, the oceanic plate entering here and subducting very clearly, very deep subduction, almost 600 kilometers. You can see earthquakes down here, very nice slab. But then you have this one here. See, you can see that there is subduction going on this side also. Not really that clear, but clear enough to confuse us, right? But you can see that there is subduction going on this side. So there are many, I think, people are working on this area. But for you, just to give you a quick idea about what subduction is going on here and why we're having this particular earthquake in this area. Okay, have a great time.